What is up, guys? Well, here we are again. This is the week after the last time we set bank lines, and if y'all remember me telling you, the night that we waited to come back and check our lines, a big storm had blown in. Well, it actually calmed down a little bit the next day. We checked our lines, caught a few fish. You know, you guys saw it. Well, that must have been just the beginning or the precursor of what was to come, because then a giant storm blew in. I mean giant. It rained solid for, very hard for 2 days. Everything flooded, and now we are after that. This is, let's see, I think the water crested 2 days ago. So now I'm in the same body of water, but it is about, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet higher. So we're going to give this a shot again. As y'all know, setting bank lines, you're targeting catfish. And murky water, milky water, whatever you want to call it, doesn't make any difference to a catfish. Because they're like one big giant tongue anyway. They smell and feel and everything what's in the water. So it doesn't really make any difference about the dirty water. But I believe the extra depth and the water pouring in from the original creek channels that filled this lake is actually going to be a pretty big benefit to us today. So we're going to try to set a bunch of lines. I got about, 30 maybe tied up. I would be happy to get 20 out today, maybe 25. Beautiful day. Actually today, tomorrow, and the next day after that, supposed to be in the mid 80s and just beautiful. So, all the bad weather's gone. Now we got the good weather coming in. So we're going to take advantage of it, set some lines, and see if we can't get back on that hunt for that flathead again, which we didn't get last time, but we will get one soon. So let's go get some bait fish and get these lines set. We'll catch up with you directly. Alright guys, we are finally up where we're going to start setting lines. And the reason I say finally is I have just spent the last 2 hours catching, this little bucket right here. There may be 8 or 10 bluegill in there, and I have spent 2 hours trying to catch them just on hook and bobber and a piece of fishing worm. It's just practically impossible to get bait fish today. But hey man, we got some now in the bucket and we're ready to set some lines, so let's get them in the water. Y'all, you are not going to believe this. I ain't even barely got out of sight of this line. I mean, barely out of sight. And there's a fish on it already. I don't even have anything to get it. All right, hang on here. We're going to have to get the little net again. All right, hang on here. Well, y'all, looky there. Let me. Wow. Now that's a good line when you ain't even out of sight yet. Look at that, would you? Daggone. Look at there. Not even out of sight of the line. I swear, I think this is number 6. I just set number 7. I went back up here because I heard a big splash. Come back, this line was pulling already. Thank you, Lord. All right, let's. Woo! Well, that's good fishing. Let's get the hook out of him. And you know what? Let's go ahead and get a weight on him while we got him out here. What do you think? Hang on, I'll get the scales. All right, guys, that fish right there is 2.2 pounds. What do you think? Should we get a length? Let's throw him on the board. Oh, he's talking to you. Hear him? Hang on. There it is. 2.2 pounds and 19 inches long, and wasn't even out of sight of that set yet. So thank you, Lord. What an awesome way to start this line. Let's get him back in the water. All right, line number 7 rebaited and back in the water. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I think I've got another line going down. I ain't even out of sight of these things yet. I can't even keep them baited. Boy, it looks tight. And I saw that branch just bouncing there a minute ago. Oh yeah, he's on there. He's on there. We're gonna land another one. Hang on. Look how tight that line is. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Let's get another one in here. He don't know he's hooked yet. He don't know he's hooked yet. Whoa, that's a big one. We got to get a net. This is a great fish, y'all. And I didn't bring anything for landing fish today. All I was going to do was put out lines. Ah, got him. Woo! Daggone, what a fish. Wait till you see the belly on this thing. Let me get the, hang on here. I'm going to get him out of the net and get him up onto the grippers. We'll take a look. Hang on. Oh. Yeah, boy. Look at that, y'all. Let's get the hook out of his mouth. You settle down. Look at that. Look at that guy. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. Oh, we're definitely going to put him on the board and get a weight. Look at the belly on that thing, man. He's been eating good. Hang on, let's get a weight. That fish is 3 1/4 pounds. Now let's get a length on him. Hang on. And almost exactly, that fish is almost exactly 20 inches long. 3 1/4 pounds and 20 inches long. Woo! Now that's a good channel catfish. Ha! And it's for the same day we set the lines. This is incredible. All right, let's get him back in the water and go set some more lines. And then we'll make a trip back by after we're done to see if we have any more. There it is. See you later, bud. Y'all, you ain't gonna believe it. We have another fish. We got as many today, right now on this line, before we even left and come back and checked, than we did on the last line, completely. So, let's see what we got right here. Oh, it's a good one. He's fighting. There he is. I'll be a son of a gun. Hang on. Let me get the grippers and we'll get him out. Hang on. All right, y'all. Here's that. That's a nice fish, too. He was nice enough to give us the bait back, even. So let's, hang on here. We got line tangled and everything. There we go. Hang on. Let's get the hook out of him. Ah, there's the hook. And there he is. That's another nice fish, y'all. Dang, going. We have done so good today, and I ain't even left the line yet. All right, let's get a weight on him. All right, guys, that fish right there is 2 3/4 pound. And 19 and 3/4 inches. Another dandy, dandy channel cat. Still working for that flathead, but that's okay. We are catching some slammer nice channel cats. We done this good right now. Can you only imagine what the line is going to be like in the morning? Woo! All right, let's get him back in the water. Yep, there he goes. And he gone. Y'all, I'm telling you, this really is the same day. It really is. I ain't joking. Now, it's a good thing that we came back up through and checked these before we left, because we have yet another fish on. Another one. That's 4. So let's get up here and see what we got on this one. Whoa, this one's a fighter, y'all. This one's a fighter. Oh my goodness. It's a fighter. Oh, dadgone, is that a big one? Yeah, that is a big old fish. Hang on here, we'll get to grippers. Look at that thing, y'all. Let's get out of this tree. Hang on. All right, y'all. That's a super nice fish. Let's get the hook out of him. Wow, he wasn't coming loose. There's the hook out. We are all tangled up. We still got all of our setting stuff in here. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful fish. All right, let's get our weights and length. All right, y'all. That fish right there is just a hair over 3.5 pounds. Let's get the board out and see how long he is. Three and a half pounds and 21.25 inches long. Woo! That is a dandy channel catfish. A dandy. What a nice fish, y'all. Get one more look at him here. He's getting ready to go back. All right, here he goes. Oh, he's ready. Woo! And he gone. Guys, you ain't gonna believe it. You just ain't gonna believe it. We got another fish. I haven't even baited back the last one we got. Holy moly. We got another fish. It's just a little feller. Let's get the hook out of him. Alright, there's that one, y'all. He may be the smallest, but he is still going to get weighed. We're going to see how much this little dude weighs. He is 1 3/4 pounds. One 3/4 pounds and 16 1/4 inches long. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Let go. Get one more look at him. All right, man. We'll see you. Holy cow, guys. What do you think about that day of setting bank lines? I'm telling you, I've never had a day like that where we had 5 different lines go off before we even got the whole thing done. And some really quality fish, some really nice channel catfish. I can only imagine how good this line's going to be in the morning. So hang tight. We'll see you then. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Look at that, y'all! The first fish with my new bow fishing spear. Woo! Thank you, Lord. That's right. That's right. Look at that. Yes! That is awesome. That's a good one, too. Daggone. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Oh, and he's off. But that was awesome. Did y'all see that? What's up, guys? It is the next day now. Probably, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock. Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. We're back in to check lines. If it is anything like it was yesterday, it was crazy. There was lines going off, and we weren't even out of sight of him yet. So if it's anything like that, we're going to have a bucket load of fish today. And I mean bucket load. I've got my live well on the back here. We're going to be saving these so we can stock the pond with them. So come along and let's see how our lines did last night. All right, y'all, here we go. Line number 1. We're hooked up. We're hooked up. Let's back up here a little bit. Oh, he's lively. All right. Yeah, boy. Let's see what we got here. All right, y'all. There he is. Fish number 1 on this line. Actually, no. Fish number 6 on this line, but fish number 1 for today. So let's get a weight on him and a length and get him in the bucket and go check 2. All right, y'all. He is 1 3/4 pound. And 17 inches long. That's a good fish to start with today. Yeah, boy. Thank you, Lord. All right, let's get him in the bucket. Fish number 1's in the bucket. Let's go check line number 2. All right, let's see what line number 2 is going to produce. Oh, guys, something we don't like. Daggone. Hang on here a minute. There it is, y'all. Snapping turtle. I'm going to pull it over here like this because it's all tangled up in that junk. We're just going to cut him loose, and that'll be the end of that one. Because we ain't getting mixed. We ain't even trying to get our hook back out of that one. Later, dude. Phew, he stinks. And he gone. Alright, y'all. We're almost back to the truck. Today was nowhere near as good as yesterday was. But hey, we didn't get skunked. We still got 1 fish on the line and a turtle. We were going to keep the fish today for stalking in the pond. But since there's only 1, we're just going to let him go. So let's do that. All right, y'all. And there he goes. We'll catch him again some other day. But overall, a lot of fun and a good line. So, if you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys next time.